Hey guys, Dominic here from BBGUN for Less. This is the WELL D93 UZI. This is a great little gun for beginners. You just pull that back and pour your BBs in there. Once again, it's one of the types where your magazine's actually the battery. To install the battery, you've got to take this. It's a bit fiddly unless you've got small hands. You just connect it straight up. Tuck your cables back in. Just try and get it in there as neat as you can. You don't want to fold it to the side. So you're good to go, and it's only safe or fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load this up and I'll show you how to operate it. So to load it up, as I said, just pull the top back. Just pour your BBs in. That's nice and simple, and then just see what it cries out. Now this is only for the automatic, there's no single, so I'm going to do the best I can to get you a good FPS reading. It's quite low on the FPS, 125, 130. Just do the fully auto. See, between 446 and 266 rounds per minute. It did cease firing a couple of those shots, that's probably why. It's a nice little fun gun, it's great for beginners. As you see, shoot a shape, fire it out again. So if you want to see more guns like this, don't forget to check the link in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's Dominic, guys. Remember, play safe.